The British National Status (BNs). From the 31st of January 2021, BN passport holders can apply for limited leave to remain to work or study in the UK for up to 5 years, and become eligible for settled status after 5 years of qualifying residence. BN holders with settled status can register as British citizens after further 12 months. The settlement scheme was launched after the imposition of the controversial national security law on Hong Kong by the Chinese central government. The UK considers the enactment of the national security law a clear violation of the one country, two systems principles set out in the Sino-British Joint Declaration, an international binding treaty signed in 1984. On the 29th of January 2021, Associated Press reported that the Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian announced China would no longer recognize BN as evidence to withdraw early from the fund, as the Hong Kong government no longer recognizes the passports as legal travel documents. BN on the navy blue colored cover. The text United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland is present below the coat of arms of the United Kingdom. The wording British passport is printed above the coat of arms. The holders page is identical to the identification page of British citizen passports, with a nationality being indicated as British national. The machine-readable zone starts with P less than GBR, indicating the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland as the passport's issuing country. The request page, made in the name of the Secretary of State, is also identical to that of a British citizen passport. The nationality on the machine-readable zone, however, is GBN rather than GBR. Each biometric BN passport contains a contactless chip, which stores digital data and includes the holder's personal data. On the endorsement page, since the start of registration for the British national passports valid for a full 10 years, registration for the BN permanent residents of Hong Kong had until the 30th of June 1997 to voluntarily register themselves as a British national. After the transfer of sovereignty of Hong Kong to the People's Republic of China on the 1st of July 1997, the British national passport became the most popular travel document among the people of Hong Kong. From April 1997 to the end of 2006, the British government has issued a total of 794,457 BN passports. The peak was reached in 2001, when 170,000 were issued in a single year. Hong Kong permanent residents who are Chinese nationals can also opt for the Hong Kong SA passport. By 2015, the less expensive Hong Kong SA passport has been granted visa-free access to more than 150 countries and territories. This makes the number of visa-free countries of the BN passport comparatively smaller. As a result, only 30,000 BN passports were issued in 2006 against an expectation of a peak in passport renewals. As of May 2007, there were 800,000 holders of valid BN passports. As British national status only acquired either Chinese nationality or British overseas citizen status on birth from the 1st of July 1997, and those people would either become Chinese nationals or British overseas citizens. During and after the 2014 Hong Kong protests, many BN holders began to renew their passports, with 22,022 renewals in 2014. This was up from 7,654 in 2011. As of the 24th of February 2020, there were 349,881 holders of BN passports, and the UK Home Office estimates that there are around 2.9 meters BNs in Hong Kong. As of the 17th of April 2020, the number of valid British national passports in circulation was 357,156. As of the 2nd of October 2020, the number of valid British national passports in circulation was 469,416. As of the 31st of December 2020, the number of valid British national passports in circulation was 622,981. The cover of British national passport was originally navy blue, as in all other types of British passport. Earlier, residents of Hong Kong were citizens of the United Kingdom and colonies, and their relevant passports bore the texts British passport at the top and Hong Kong at the bottom of the cover. When machine-readable passports were introduced on the 1st of June 1990, the cover color was changed to burgundy. between 1990 and March 2020. All BN at the bottom. The British nationals possess the right of abode or right to land in Hong Kong by virtue of their previous British Dependent Territories citizen status with connection to British Hong Kong. In this case, the following statement is printed in their BN passport. The holder of this passport has Hong Kong Permanent Identity Card number XXXXXXX, which states that the holder has the right of abode in Hong Kong. British nationals enjoy visa-free access for up to 6 months as a visitor entering the United Kingdom. However, starting from the 31st of January 2021, holders will be eligible to apply for a 5-year visa to work, study in the UK, leading to a future pathway to citizenship. Following the aftermath of the People's Republic of China's controversial passage of the May 2020 National Security Law,